Everyone knows Narayan Murthy as the one who made Infosys what it is today. More than his management and strategic implementations, it was the values that he stood for that helped him and his company reach where they are today. नागावारा रामाराव नारायण मूर्ति का जन्म 20 अगस्त 1946 मैसूर कर्नाटक में हुआ. He studied electrical engineering at the National Institute of Engineering, Mysore, followed by M.Tech from Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur in 1969. Immediately after that, he left for London, where he worked for a company called Sesa for 3 years and excelled in designing software for managing air freight at the Charles de Gaulle Terminal, London. और उसके कुछ ही समय बाद वो वापस भारत आ गए to start his own company. In 1976, he started an IT software consulting firm called Softronics in Pune. पर उनका ये दाव उल्टा पड़ गया, as the company tanked without a trace. But Narayan took it in his stride. He later described it as one of his earliest learning experiences, as it made him tough and unwavering. Narayan then joined Patni Computers, where he met his future wife, who would incidentally provide the initial investment for starting Infosys. 1981 में नारायण मूर्ति की जिंदगी का एक नया अध्याय शुरू हुआ when he, along with his 6 software professionals, started a company called Infosys Technologies Limited, जो आगे चल के Infosys के नाम से प्रसिद्ध हुई. The company was incorporated with a mere capital of rupees 10,000 and signed its first client, Databasics Corporations, from New York. His leadership skills and vision made a prominent impact on the growth of the company and also brought the brand new IT wave in India. At Infosys, he articulated, designed and implemented the global delivery model for IT services outsourcing from India, और उसी का नतीजा था कि उन्हें फादर ऑफ इंडियन आईटी के नाम से जाना गया. Besides featuring in NDTV's 25 Greatest Global Indian Living Legends list, he has been awarded with Padma Shri and Padma Vibhushan, the second highest civilian award of Republic of India. Moreover, for his immense contribution to society, people and government, he was felicitated with the Philanthropist of the Year award in 2013. Today, Infosys has $3 billion in revenue, 70,000 employees and over 500 customers. He served as chairman from 2002 to 2011. Infosys को कामयाबियों की बुलंदियों तक पहुंचाने के बाद he retired in 2011. But Infosys couldn't be without its spearhead for long. In 2013, he was appointed as executive chairman and additional director for a period of 5 years. In spite of his achievements, he is down to earth and always at a service of people and the nation. Performance leads to recognition. Recognition brings respect. Respect enhances power. Humility and grace in one's moments of power enhances dignity of an organization. This is what Narayan Murthy stands for. His values are an inspiration for everyone who desires to be successful someday.